How's it going, guys? In this video I'm going to be replacing my key fob case with this one that I got online from AJT Design. Now this is the same color as my wife's truck, cement. It's pretty cool. So I gotta hurry up and do this video really fast. I apologize for anything that I do wrong, but she's gonna be home and Mother's Day is coming up and this is gonna be a surprise for her. So anyways, okay, so let's open this up. I didn't open it up yet. So we got let's see, what is this? I think it's a sticker. Pretty cool. Need instructions. Okay, that's good to know. Here is the, oh, sorry, couldn't see. Here's the case itself. Nice. Okay. Now, comes with this Allen wrench and 4 screws, and it's got a spring in here. What's that for? I'm not sure. I'm gonna try and do this without any directions, which is kind of bad, but okay. So first things first, I need to open this up, this case. So I'm gonna push here, slide out this key. Shut up, Rooster. Stick it in this hole and twist. Twist. There we go. Just open it up like an egg. And if you didn't know, this is how you can change your battery also. Okay, so put these on the side. Put this right here. This one, oh, okay, it opens up just like that. And that went flying. Oh, I see, I see. I got it now. Take this out. That goes flying. There we go. This one definitely goes in the middle. Ah! There you go. Okay, guys. See that? Slide it in this way and this way. Okay? And you lose your red button at the same time. Okay. And this one goes like that. Yippee! Okay. Okay. Slap it in here. Just like that. Oh no, my wife's home. Oh, she's coming inside the house. Hurry up and do this. Happy Mother's Day. This is your gift. I hope you like it. Okay, yeah, don't look in. Alright. Spring. Sprung. Oh, that was a whole lot more smoother. Oh, you know what? There's a pad thingy on here. Oh, I probably should put that on. Oh, rats. I'm sure this is an excellent product. It's just the person putting this together has the problem. There. Okay. Okay. Let's get those screws inside before it falls apart again. Alright guys, finally figured it out. This is pretty cherry, pretty nice. Hey honey.
What's up?
Happy Mother's Day.
What is it?
It's a case, it's a different case. Key FOB case. Same color as your truck.
Matches my truck.
Yeah. Yep. Sorry, they didn't have purple, but yep.
How good.
Everything's tight.
Then I can find it better.
Yep. So guys, I should have went to the website to look for the directions first. Great. Cherry. One thing that this case does not have from the original case is this little piece right here that you can attach a ring or whatever you want for the valet, but to hang up on their case or whatever. But you can always put it on top of this key right here. But yeah. But yeah, this is cool. It's nice. It's cherry. I like it. I hope she likes it. Made in the USA. Awesome. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. My battery's gonna die again. Aloha and take care. Bye. Oh yeah. Yeah.